Skill 10. Use non-clause connectors or subjects correctly. In Skill 10, we will see that in the same cases, a non-clause connectors is not just a connectors. A non-clause connectors can also be the subject of the clause at the same time. For example, I don't know what is in the box. I is subject. Don't know is a verb. What is subject and is a verb. In this example, there are two clauses. I don't know is main clause and what is in the box is noun clause. These two clauses are joined by the connector what. It's really important to understand that in this sentence, the word what serves two functions. It's both the subject of the verb is and the connector that joins the two clauses. Okay everyone, there are 6 non-clause connectors or subjects. They are who, whoever, what, whatever, which, and whichever. There are 2 formulas in the skill. The first is noun clause as object. The formula is subject plus verb plus noun connector plus verb. For example, I know what happened. I is subject. Know is verb. What is connector and happened is verb. The second is noun clause as subject. The formula is noun connector plus verb plus verb. For example, what happened was great. What is connector? Happened is a verb and was is verb. Let's practice with quiz. Identify whether the sentences are correct or incorrect. First is the game show contestant was able to respond to whatever was asked. Contestant is subject, was is verb, whatever is connector, and was asked is verb. So this sentence is correct. The second is whoever wants to take the dessert during spring break signing up at the office. Whoever is connector, wants is a verb, and the dessert during spring break signing up at the office is not verb. So we need verb again. But in the sentence just have to verb. So this sentence is incorrect. Okay everyone, that's all that I can explain about skill 10. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye bye.